Hi everyone and happy Tuesday. Welcome back to our Belgian construction site. You probably can hear how Ilya is deplastering. He finishes up deplastering the first floor, and in meanwhile I decided to clean up a small place where we are having a rest from the old demolition. It's construction site, but still it's very pleasant when you have some tidy place to sit and drink some coffee or tea. Also, I'm gonna test our new pressure washer machine from Carter on this wall. I'm really curious how it will look and what will be the end result. So let's start. So yeah, that was like more a playground to test our new machine. And now we want to try on the cobblestones that everyone, I think everyone mentioned that it would be nice to try out their pressure washer on the cobblestones. Let's see what. it works very well, but it's such dirt everywhere. So it's really like a lot of dirt is coming out.
Fine. If we put sand after that, it will be nice.
It will what?
It will be nice if we put sand.
Sand.
Sand, yeah.
Yeah, but that's nice. Check.
Oh my god.
That's so much dirt. Okay, that was a test run, and it works very well and cool. I think I have dirt everywhere.
Me too.
Like out. We were laughing like there are some jobs that are seems to be so stupid to do right now, and it is. It's like everything covered with dirt except of this. This. But still they were so much fun to do. Yeah, let's say it was just a test run. Leave it.
Okay, I can wash you.
No,
We have power washer.
no, no, that's enough.
They have it, yeah, it has soft mode. I hope.
I really like it. It was a bit stupid to do it right now, but
Nice tool, I like it.
well, yeah, definitely it's
I really enjoy.
a new play, a toy.
Yeah, it's really nice toy. So I think you know what content you can wait from us next time. And next time.
No. Yeah, we were cleaning this wall. We started, but the joints here are not sitting very well, are not sticking very well. So we didn't clean it properly. We will do it afterwards when we start repointing the bricks, and then we will clean it properly and repoint it. So we just left it. Let's say we were playing playing around with our new toy. So it's not. And still we have a nice place to sit. Kinda clean. So Ilya, how are your deplastering of the first floor?
It's in progress.
Let's finish it. Come on. Last step.
I can do that.
As well.
This week, Ilya finished deplastering all the rooms on the first floor. Right now, he's standing in the future room of our daughter. It's next to Maxim's room. And while deplastering, we found some issues that we're gonna show you in the next video. Right now, please enjoy a very quick time lapse of this messy job being done.
And hi again, my dear friends. Welcome to the plaster paradise of the very last room on the first floor. It's gonna be our future bathroom that we're gonna also split into a bathroom and walk-in closet. Also, the plastering of the hall will be included into this time lapse. So, have fun watching!
So, first floor is completed. Yes! Oh no, I have another small piece left. So